patio set they will be painting, and this goes to the front of the house. The patio set here we can use, we can turn it the other way. The lights are staying. Console table or bookcase, living room. That light is going into the bedroom. This light stays. To the master now. So this light will be gone. The light out in the living room comes in here. It's a queen in here. Dresser area. This is a sliding door closet, so that is a non-issue. The rods and curtains are coming down. This bed has a bench, which is fine to have a bench. The Keelam art stays, but we can put it somewhere. This has been remodeled, so we can't change this to a mid-century modern look. This thing cabinet is a built-in or attached to the wall. So this is the master. Go down the hall to the other two bedrooms. This one here is a queen right now, but it leads out to the front atrium. This room is gonna be an office. The rods are coming down the curtain as well. So the desk would have to be here to clear the door, or along this way, and we have, let's say, an accent chair, a small one back there, or I don't know, an accent chair here. Something, or a cons stool. This is the width right now of a queen bed. Third bedroom is going to stay blue. All the paint colors are staying. This bed here is a queen, and it's gonna go along this wall. That's where he's staying. Curtains down, rods down. The Moreau art stays and these stay, but we could move them around to other parts. This in here gets the queen bed, and I think only one small nightstand would fit here. I'll measure the wall. And this bathroom, all art gone. This is a built-in, so that's not going anywhere. You don't need anything there. Okay, we're filming you in action at a special property. Yeah. So this table looks good.
I brought an area rug.
Okay, good. Now these pillows look great with it. Yeah.
Yeah. But man.
Yeah, these lights look awesome. They weren't supposed to get, I was like, option, this is one option, or the other option for the space. Yeah, but still, at the end of the day, it looks nice. Yeah, this is the Keelam art here. So this is good. No, it's a nice Keelam. Yeah, I would put it up there. That's the whole mid-century modern look right there. Absolutely. Yeah. Any more art that's a little bit more mid-century? Yeah, I mean, if you bring the Moreau, all these little Moreaus over, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a white strip to go over that.
Yeah. Yep. So use these Moreaus in the bathroom.
Okay. Do you like these, or should we do these? They look a little bit more substantial. Or you don't mind those?
The wavies are more mid-century.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are great, so keep that.
Keep that. Yeah, this is good. So see this basket, why don't you just put it
in front?
I mean, or you got the other basket as well.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, that one's very...
I think a mirror would be better than a picture.
A mirror would be better than a picture.
Above the fireplace?
Yeah. So, where's the thingy-majiggy? It will look like that.
Yeah, the mirror sets it off better.
Oh, I think I like the mirror.
You like the mirror? Okay, you can choose the mirror. Yep.
Sets it off.
Okay, good. Good job, Greg.
Good idea. I didn't even think
came
of
up with that idea. Okay, so the mirror it is. You can take over. Yeah, now it's a lot more open and spacious. So, these lights kind of work together. So, the bar stools, yeah, this is gonna be fun. You can't see the rest though. We'll show you the transformation soon. Bye!